Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Mint Mobile International Roaming step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Mint Mobile website, or open the Mint Mobile app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, look for the section called Add-ons. Tap on Add-ons, and then select Minternational Pass. Now you will see different pass options. You can choose a one-day pass for $5, a 3-day pass for $10, or a 10-day pass for $20. Think about how long you will be traveling and choose the option that fits your trip. You can pre-purchase the pass before you leave the United States. If you do that, you can activate it when you arrive at your destination. You also have the option to activate it immediately through the app if you are already abroad. Finally, turn on Wi-Fi calling in your phone settings. This allows you to call and text US numbers for free when connected to Wi-Fi without using your international pass balance. Thanks for watching.